Before creating HSP documents in Manage, HSP parameters must be configured in the system. This process is guided and implemented during your Auditdata onboarding. After onboarding activities are completed, clinics must ensure their HSP configuration stays current. Let's review the process. Navigate to HSP configuration in Environment Settings. The General section is where you can indicate whether your company is exempt from income tax or registered as a GST payer. Select HSP contracts. Active HSP contracts are those with an active status determined by the expiration displayed on the right. Hovering over and selecting the ellipsis on the right provides you with additional functionalities. In Edit mode, you have access to modify HSP contract settings across several tabs. These include the General tab, where you can adjust the contract name and validity period. The Services tab is where the service items are listed. It's important to ensure you verify the listed amounts for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments if they are incorrect. The Categories tab allows you to specify the HSP categories included in the contract. Rules are available to reduce user errors when creating claims. It is presented as warnings or reminders during claim creation. These validation rules work in accordance with HSP requirements. Check the rules carefully to ensure compliance. And remember, to check items against each rule are accurate and applicable for your organization. This section is editable. Maintenance settings is used to configure various maintenance-related processes. In the General section, you can provide details about the HSP plan and top-up plan, including cost, total amount, and GST. In the Expiration section, you can designate maintenance services to be included in the HSP claim to activate the auto-update rule. Upon importing approved claims for these services, the expiration date of the B and M plan in the patient profile is automatically updated. You can delete a contract if it's not needed. The Download option generates a JSON file version of the contract. Contracts can be imported using the import function located at the top. When a new contract is available, the Auditdata support team can help import the contract. Returning to the contract screen, using the copy function allows you to duplicate a contract and prepare for its renewal ahead of time. Copy contracts have a next status and become active once the current one expires. This copy method is quicker than manually adding everything. Contracts can be manually added by selecting the Add a Contract function at the top. When updating HSP contracts, it's also worth considering inventory. HSP service items and plans are associated with products in the product catalog and require monitoring for any changes, particularly prior to contract renewals. When setting up the system for HSP, it's important to review other areas of the system, such as verifying registered locations listed under location information are assigned an HSP site ID and an Australian business number. Remember, only one Australian business HSP number is assigned to businesses. The same number is entered for all locations to ensure only qualified professionals provide services covered by HSP. A qualified professional number must be registered under a specialist profile. In cases where a specialist operates from multiple locations, their QP number must be added to each registered location. Sales-related validations, rules pertaining to HSP processing are configured under Finance settings in the Sale-related section. It's important to remember that invoicing in Manage is tied to appointments, and the location chosen within appointments will determine the provider's name on HSP invoices. Batch claiming allows for centralized processing, where users can select multiple locations when generating a CSV file. The originating location is always indicated in each claim. HSP letters and documents printed from the system can be reviewed under Print settings, where logos and other details can be updated in Edit mode. In summary, comprehending and efficiently managing HSP parameters in Manage is crucial for successful invoicing and compliance with HSP regulations.